Hello everyone. Today let's see how to access Google's Gemini model using API key and Python. First, go to Google and type Gemini API. Click on the first link, which is ai.google.dev. Click on Get API key in Google AI Studio. It will ask for the login, and once you log in, you'll be on this page. Click on Get API key. Here you can click on Create API key and generate one API key for yourself. I have already created an API key which shows here. Copy and store it securely. Now let's move on to the demo. Here I have installed these three packages. The python.env to load the credentials to the environment, Streamlit for the simple UI, and the Google Generative AI from google.dev. Here the load_env will load the keys from the .env file which I have created in the same folder. This os.getEnv will get that API key and assign it to the Google API key variable. Passing the API key and the model name, I have used the Gemini Pro model here. This is the simple Streamlit text input which says enter your text here. Once the user is entering the text, there is an Streamlit button called submit. Once clicked on submit, there will be a spinner which says to wait for it and it starts loading. While it is loading, the LLM call will happen and the input query which is entered by the user is passed to the LLM and the response is generated and displayed on the Streamlit UI using st.write, and response.text will be having the LLM response. Now let's see the UI. This is the simple UI generated by Streamlit. Once the user enters any question like list any four Indian cars and click on submit, this is the spinner for loading, and these are the four car names generated by the LLM. In the same way, the user can ask any question to the LLM and the answer will be generated and displayed here. For example, write a story on old man with a dog. Here is the story generated by the Gemini model. For your reference, I have also provided links in the description for the Gemini API Quick Start, which has an Google Colab notebook with all the detailed steps on how to access the model and use it. Thank you.